In this video, we are going to be looking at the wet sand tool in the grain shell set located here. We have two objects in the scene. The spike here, which we're going to turn into wet sand, will be falling on the ball. The first thing we need to do is turn the ball into a static object. With the ball selected, go to Rigid Body Shelf and click on Static Object. We're also going to need a ground plane to catch all the falling sand pieces. Let's turn off visibility for the ground plane, and we're going to select the spike and click on Wet Sand. So you can see that our spike has turned into grain particles. Let's change the size of the particle by putting down a value of 0.01 in particle separation. And for those who are using graphic cards that support OpenCL, we're going to go into the Solver tab and enable Use OpenCL, as this will help to reduce the sim time and, depending on your card, sometimes significantly. Don't forget to turn on real-time toggle. And now we're going to go back up to object level with the U key and hit the up arrow key to play. Let's stop the playback with the up arrow key and we'll take a look at the sand. The sand is flying out in all directions, which we don't want. Let's go into the grain update node and change a few parameters. Hit the L key to organize your nodes. Double-click on AutoDopt Network and use the L key again and look for the grain update node. It's already selected, so let's collapse this pane and we'll take a look at the parameters within. And actually, before we make any parameter changes, let's rewind to frame 1. We don't need to have those values updating in our scene while we make parameter changes. Let's change constraint iterations to 120, and we'll go to the Behavior tab and change Scale Kinetic to 1, Clumping Weight to 2, and Stiffness to 20. And now we'll go back up to object level with the U key and play to see what we get. Let's take a closer look in this pre-cooked wet sand sim. You can recreate many different types of material using the wet sand tool, from slush to peat moss and others. It just depends on your imagination.